Hi there, this is Dr. Sam. Here is the amazing Immuplex from Standard Process. Immuplex is the ultimate immune system support. It contains vitamins, minerals, and tissue extract that are critical for enhancing immune function. The largest immune organ in the body is actually the liver, which is responsible for performing over 500 specific tasks, including regulation of chemical levels in our blood and excretion of bile, which is responsible for taking out the body's waste. In the body, bone marrow is where red and white blood cells are produced. Immuplex contains bone marrow, which supports the body's own production of these important immune-enhancing factors. Immuplex also includes spleen extract as an ingredient. The spleen helps by removing old damaged red blood cells and also contains infection-fighting white blood cells. The spleen is critical for a well-functioning immune system. Next, we have the thymus gland, which is also an important gland of the immune system. It's where T lymphocytes are made. T lymphocytes, or T cells, are critical to help support immune system function. Thymus extract is included as another critical ingredient of Immuplex. And don't forget, we have vitamins A, C, E, and folate, along with immune-dependent minerals such as iron, zinc, chromium, and selenium, which are all signature ingredients in Immuplex. So for best results, many of my patients find great benefit of taking Immuplex as a maintenance dose every single day, and it should be used in high doses during immune challenges.